The second basic type of spatial arrangement of elements in the mineral structures is called an octahedron. Octa, O-C-T-A, hedron. Octa comes from, the prefix octa comes or has a meaning of 8. In this case, it is not 8 oxygens, but rather it is an 8-sided structure. And that's very difficult to illustrate in 2 dimensions, but we basically have 8 different faces to this structure, the octahedron. The octahedron consists of hydroxide ions, that is an oxygen with a hydrogen attached, and in the central cavity we have either an aluminum or a magnesium. Most often this will be aluminum as a central cation. Aluminum has a charge of +3. Each of these hydroxides has a charge of -1. The oxygen combining with the hydrogen has a charge of +1 that partially or offsets one of the negative charges on the oxygen. So that's why we end up with hydroxides around here, because the oxygen has a very strong attraction for hydrogens, and one of the negative charges on the oxygen is offset by a hydrogen. That's what makes each of these larger cylinders an hydroxide type of ion. So we have 6 of these oxygens or hydroxides, and 1 central cation, which is being aluminum, has a charge of +3. Once again, if we have 6 oxygens or hydroxides and we have only 1 central cation with a charge of +3, that is going to be a structure which has a net negative charge on it. The +3 charge on the aluminum in the central cavity can only partially offset or balance the negative charges on the oxygens or hydroxide in this octahedron type of structure.